Hi, welcome to Origami Ocean. Today we'll be making Origami Halloween Cat. To create this model, I'll be taking 15 cm by 15 cm square sheet of paper and keeping the white side on the top, I'll be starting with the diagonal fold. Now bring these two sides to the center crease. This is called as kite base. Now fold the model into half as shown. Bring this side to this line and make a new crease. Repeat the same thing on the other side too. Now open the flap and bring this tip till here and make a new crease. Now bring this side to the crease to create a cross mark. Repeat the same thing on the other side. Now turn the model and fold the flap to the back side. This is a pre-creasing, it will help you to do the next step easily. Now turn the model, then collapse the model as shown. Now fold the triangle inside as demonstrated. Repeat the same thing on the other side too. This is again a pre-creasing. Now open the flaps and do the inside reverse fold. Lift the flap and fold this triangle into half. To create the ears of the cat. Repeat the same thing on the other side. Fold the model into half. Then fold this flap down parallel to the crease by leaving around 1 cm gap and make a sharp crease. Open the flap and do the inside reverse fold. Now lift this flap up from this point to this point and make a crease to create the tail of the cat. Now hold the model between your two fingers as shown to create the front legs of the cat. Fold the face down and press a little. Then pinch here to finish the cat's front legs. Your model will look like this. Fold a small triangle down to give the face shape to the cat. Then you can draw the details. Origami Halloween cat is ready. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe. Don't miss out the videos which will be streaming on every Fridays. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you.